Hello, my dear valued viewers. This video is about how to learn trading 10x faster. Now, before going to that video, I want to discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty's price action today and what are the important things to look after. I will be discussing here. After discussing about the Bank Nifty's price action, I'm going to give complete information about how to learn day trading 10x faster. Okay, let's get into the video. Today, Bank Nifty is in the uptrend and Nifty is in the downtrend because this sort of combination is a tricky combination, and now some important things have happened today. I will discuss here. As we are in the uptrend in the Bank Nifty, we are in uptrend in the Bank Nifty, downtrend in the Nifty. Okay, downtrend in the Nifty. Now, during the uptrends, we are going to stay at the CPR. If you know the system of the CPR, it will be known to you. If you don't know about it, I am going to tell you. During the uptrend, the CPR system traders have to stay at the CPR, okay, during the uptrends. And what about the downtrends? During the downtrends, we have to stay at the CPR, but we aim to take positions like this. We aim to take the positions like this in the view of bearish view. When we are in the uptrend, we aim to take our positions in the view of bullishness. That means in uptrend like this, in downtrend like this. Okay, now as I said to you, the Bank Nifty is in the uptrend, and where we have to stay? We have to stay at the CPR. See here. Now what happens here? Now in Nifty, where we have to stay? We have to stay at the CPR, and we have to be bearish in the market. Now what happened here? The first 5-minute candle is a bearish candle in Bank Nifty and Nifty. During those times, what happens here in the downtrend is the follow through of this candle will happen. That means the follow through of the candle in the sense there is a rejection from R1 resistance till CPR most of the time. But today what happened is the sentiment of the market have changed in Nifty, so that the traders who want to take the price in a bullish view have won the match today. That's why this big candle has appeared. Usually it is like this red candle, there is going to be a follow through like this. But today what happened here is the Nifty traders who want to push the price above this level have won the match, and the Nifty also changed its trend from downtrend to uptrend. Tomorrow onwards, Nifty and Bank Nifty are in the uptrend. Now, the second candle here is a bullish candle. What is the thing I want to tell you is, we know that the price is going to be bullish from the CPR, but here see, these are the minute things you have to learn, because when you see this is the bullish candle which is taken the support from the 20 EMA, this is a 80% probabilistic pattern, because the second 920 candle is also a bullish candle in Nifty, which is a 90% probability holded strategy here. But what happened here is, as expected, the third candle is a bullish candle in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, but the fourth and fifth candles have come below the CPR. This is the tricky part today. Now we know that in the uptrend we are going to stay at the CPR, and we took the trade after the close of this candle. We put the stop loss. The right way to put the stop loss is below this candle, because this is the entry candle, or we can put the stop loss below the CPR. This is also perfect. What happens here is, when you enter after the close of this candle, you put your stop loss and it triggers your stop loss, then again it moves in your direction. What I want to tell you is, even though you have everything about the system, the strategy, everything about the strategy, sometimes it took your stop loss and moves in your direction. Once you are able to understand this fact that not all trading days are profit giving days, even though it accepts your pre-market analysis, keep this in mind that so we have to give some stop losses in the month so that we can be profitable by the month by playing 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward. Okay, even do not make yourself feel guilt or hurt, something like anxiety about the markets, why it has triggered my stop loss. Not like that. You have to go and keep your mind in a calm and peaceful state, because you know that as a day trader stop losses are part of the game. I want to tell this one thing to you. And one more thing here is, the tomorrow onwards the nifty and bank nifty are in the uptrend. Okay, now let's go to the main core part of this video, how to learn trading 10x faster. Yes, you have to learn the trading 10x faster, because uh, anything you want to acquire within 3 to 6 months is having a great impact within you or anybody else. When you start something, or you like for example, if you want to learn about some dancing, like that, if you want to learn about dancing, you went to some coach or mentor or choreographer, and you want to learn that skill. When you join that class or something like that dance class, you have to be consistent for the first 6 months with all your efforts. Giving your 100% is really necessary to learn any professional skill. Okay, trading is something like very difficult to understand, but you give your 100% in the right direction, you're going to learn it very much faster. Now, what are the things you have to look after for trading, for learning trading 10x faster? I will be discussing here. Identify the outcome. When you want to learn the dance, what is your expected outcome? What is your expectation? You want to dance like some star like Hrithik Roshan, or like Allu Arjun, or like some Ram Charan, or something like NTR, something like that. This is your particular outcome. For trading, what is your outcome? Think of it for a second. What is your outcome for the trading? I will tell you. The outcome is the profits. Yes. Those who want to learn any skill, they want to make money out of that skill most of the time. When you want to learn dance, you can give dance classes to the students and you can earn from it most of the time. So the outcome here is you want to have profits. In my case, I want to have profits in a consistent basis with peaceful mind, because trading is so stressful. If you don't follow the system in a correct way, definite way, it will give you lots of emotional stress and physical stress, because when you impacting emotionally, that will affect on your physical health also. So, in my case, I want to be consistently profitable with peaceful mind. This is the outcome I want. Now, write down what is your outcome you want out of the trading. Okay, when you identify the outcome, your action taking towards that outcome is so fast. When you don't know anything about trading and you don't know what you are expecting in the trading, how much amount you are expecting from the trading, in which way you are expecting, in which course you are learning, who is the mentor you are following, everything will be write down in a piece of paper, because writing it down in a piece of paper is like giving something to manifest to the world, okay, to the universe. You are giving that, you are asking the wish to the universe, like that. Now, the second is way of learning. How you have identified the outcome, you want something like that, and how you are learning. The way of learning is so important. when you want to learn it 10x faster. Now for that I am having some more here. When you read something, you're going to learn it for about 10%. Okay? Write it down. When you are learning something, that too very fast, these are the 5 important things you have to do to learn any skill 10x faster. Yes, like reading. You have to read some books regarding trading. Okay, this is the first one. When you are reading, you're going to get 10% knowledge out of reading. The second one is the listening. Listen to some podcast or listen to some your favorite mentors from the stock market day trading every single day. You have to do it very consistently if you need consistent profits. Listen to it very careful every day, every single day. Because from reading you're going to get 10% and from listening you're going to get 20% knowledge. The third one is watching. Watch one or two particular mentors which you understand what they are saying and do it consistently. By watching the videos, you are going to get 30% of the knowledge. This is like the cone of learning, something like the way of learning, hierarchy of learning, something like that. The fourth one is practicing. You have to practice what you are reading, what you are listening, and what you are watching. Okay, by reading a system and listening according to the system, by listening to the mentor, the mentor who teaches that system, or you watching his videos who teaches the system. Okay, for example, in my case I am using the system of CPR pivot points, which is giving the setups, 3 different setups for bullish, bearish areas, for sideways days, for trending days, something like that. If you like this video, this system, you can read about the CPR system. You can learn about, you can listen about my videos. You can listen my videos or you can watch my videos and then practice it. Yes, you have to practice it in the paper trade first. First, you have to practice it in the paper trade and then teach. This is the one unique thing you have to make adapt to. This is the one thing you have to adapt. Teach whatever you learn. That's why I have started the YouTube channel. While I am teaching, I am going to get 90% knowledge. While I am reading, I am going to get 10%, listening 20%, watching 30%, practicing 75%, and teaching 90%. Because to teach, I have to learn very keenly. When you are asking some doubts or some comments coming there, I have to be responsible to answer your comments. I have to be responsible to deliver results to you. That's why I have started the YouTube channel. If you follow these 3 steps, it is very easy to learn the trading 10x faster. Okay, now then the next step towards learning the day trading 10x faster is the back testing. Okay, do back testing. What you have to do back testing? What is the system you have learned? What is the system you have listened? What is the system you are watching? What is the system you are practicing? You have to do that one to the back testing. Back testing is something like go through previous year charts. Okay, go through the trading view, go to the left of the charts and see whether the system is right or not. It is accepted by the particular index or the stock. Whatever you learn, you have to backtest it. Without backtesting, don't enter the markets. This is going to be suicidal if you enter the markets without backtesting. Now, the second one is note down the outcome. When you backtest the charts, previous year charts that you have learned, just note down the outcome, whether it is accepted, the system or not. Why I am saying this is, some indices or stocks are so volatile, they are having so liquidity. If you have the volatility and liquidity, some setups will work well, some setups will not. You have to know all this by yourself. Okay, or forward test the strategy. What is forward testing? You have heard about the back testing. Now what is forward testing? Testing is something like paper trading. When you have learned the system, doing whatever it takes to do to learn it, and then forward test the strategy after you back test it. That means in the for example, you have a system today. Tomorrow onwards, you have to paper test it in the live market. In the live market, you have to stay in front of your monitor, keeping in mind that you are trading the charts of your index or stock for this particular strategies. Okay, this is called forward testing, and write down what is happening for that strategies during the live trade. What are the reasons for acting like that? What are the reasons that push the price in your direction? Or what are the things that push the price against your position? Okay, this is called back testing. In back testing, you have to do all these things to learn day trading 10x faster. And the next one is live trade. Okay, live trade in the sense you're going to back tested the strategy, and you forward tested the strategy with paper testing. Now live trade, enter the trade with real money in the live market and see what are the emotions you are facing, what are the technical issues that are there. There are so many things while you live trade. Your emotions take control of you. Okay, live trade it with one or two lots strictly. Once you make, for example, you are with 50,000 and you trade with one or two lots. Once it is giving some good amount, 20,000, 30,000 with the one or two lots, then increase your lot size in the live trade. The third one to learn the day trading 10x faster is journaling. Okay, when you are live trading, journal your trades. This is so important step to do, because without journaling, you don't know what you are doing. This is like when you are doing a business. Did you write down all the expenses, all the incomes, all the some raw material costs in a book or a notepad or something like that, or a spreadsheet? Without doing it, what would happen? You don't know where the money is going, who is grabbing all the money. Uh, there is lot of clumsiness in your business. Like that, if you don't journal your trades, you are going to have nothing out of the markets. Okay, you don't have anything out of the markets, because every single day is a new day for you. When you learn what has happened in the past, you're going to anticipate in the present. Okay, when you do it very correctly, journaling the trades, you're going to get a great edge. Now write down the reason for profit and loss also. Whenever there is a profit, all the traders will write down today is profit, the reason is this. The real game comes here when you write down about the losses. Write down particularly about the losses, because what is the reason for the loss? All your winning trades hides in the losing trades. Once you analyze the losing trades, you are going to get a great edge. Now, see, the last one is save the screenshot of the charts. Okay, along with journaling, you have to save the screenshots of the charts. For example, I am showing this. This is one of my strategies uh, journal, and I will do this. See, 20th June, trend bank nifty up, nifty downtrend. The reason, new perception. I have learned something here, write down in the text box. This is called journaling. Journaling is something that you can do all by yourself with your perspective. You can add some more columns here, you can delete some columns here, you can add emotions in that, everything like that. Okay, see how I did this. I'm writing whatever I have learned on that day. Okay, this is called journaling. You have to do it to learn trading 10x faster. Now, I want to share one quote with you. To know and not to do is not to know. Learning and not doing is equal to not knowing. You have learned, you have listened about something about learn day trading 10x faster, but you don't apply this in your life or your trading profession, this is nothing. Okay? I am again saying this, to know and not to do is not to know. Learning and not doing is equal to not knowing. Keep this in mind and do it. Now, I'm going to share one important thing with you. If you are staying in this video till this time, I know that you are going to follow my channel and the trading style I am following. I am here to tell you one important thing here. This is my channel. In my channel, I have uploaded some shorts here, which are very powerful. And if you see here, this is the strangest secret by Earl Nightingale. You know what? If you learn this, if you listen this every single day for about 10 or 20 or 30 days, you are going to see a change in your trading career. There is a change within you. Please watch this video or listen to this video every single day. Okay, see this video. I will briefly explain this video. This video is about how to get something out of our life. What is the right direction? This particular video or the audio clip gives you the right direction. It is all about the mindset of the successful people, money making people, the other side of the coin. Okay, I hope you listen this every single day, in the morning, in the evening. Maybe it is 50 minutes video. Try to give time to this. First listen this right now and you will see some change in your mindset. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time to me. I feel really grateful to explain these concepts to you. See, this is the video you have to learn every single day. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like the content, please subscribe my channel and share this in your trading community. Give a comment that will motivate me to do much better, insightful videos about day trading. Thank you.